Alright guys, welcome back to Total DIY. In today's video, I will show you how to make instant coconut oil. So if you are in urgent need of coconut oil and you don't get it anywhere around, this video is for you. The whole process will take you somewhere between 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours, and you are done. Your coconut oil will be ready. So it's all advisable to work with a well matured coconut to get the best results. So the first step is to crack your coconut open and desal them. So when you desal them, cut them into blendable size, just like you are seeing on the screen. So once you have cut them into blendable size, transfer them to your blender, and we want to blend them smoothly. So the quantity of water I'll be using to blend this two coconut is just a cup of water. So I'll be using half now, and this is the total water I will be using all throughout. So I will use half to blend the first batch. Once you are done blending, transfer them into your cheesecloth and squeeze out the milk with a bowl underneath. So squeeze as much as you can to extract all the mix out. Right, once you are done extracting the milk, transfer the milk back into the blender. I want to use this milk to blend the remaining batch. So just the same way we started earlier, so I will use the milk to blend the remaining batch, then transfer to my cheesecloth once again to separate the milk from the coconut fibers. Squeeze as much as you can to ensure you extract every single milk. Once you are done squeezing out the milk, transfer the milk into your cooking pan. Then now transfer the sap back into the blender. This is to ensure that we will have to extract as more milk as possible, as more milk as we can. So I will add the remaining water I set aside earlier to blend the saps and transfer into my cheesecloth with my bowl underneath. Then squeeze out the milk as much as I can. Then I will use the same milk to blend the remaining saps once again, then squeeze out the milk as much as I can. Then I will now join the two mix together. Now the next thing we need to do is to transfer it to our stove top, and we want to cook it on medium heat. This whole cooking process will take us somewhere between 30 minutes to 40 minutes for us to get our coconut oil extracted. The whole process from start to finish will take you somewhere around 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. Then you have your coconut oil. Stir from time to time to ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. As you can see, we are gradually getting the oil, so the oil is started coming out. This is the coconut oil. So we'll keep on cooking down until we go to the same consistency we get while we are using a fermentation method. So the difference between this one and the fermented one is to minimize the time of cooking, that is the duration of cooking. That is the only difference. That is the reason for fermentation, to get rid of as much water as you can so as to minimize the cooking time. But if you are in hurry, this is the perfect way to extract your coconut oil. So at this point, I would turn the stove off and allow it to cool slightly before sieving it with my cheesecloth. As you can see, the coconut oil is not fully dry, but what I'm trying to do, I don't want to keep on cooking until it turns brown. So I don't want a brown coconut oil. So I want the color to come out pure, so I have to strain it. Now what will happen is that the coconut oil is not fully dry, so there is still some water content in there that will affect the life of the coconut oil if not properly cooked. So what we are trying to do is to squeeze out all the oil along with the water that remain in the curd. Then we are going to dry the remaining water dropped along with the oil on low heat. So now I've transferred it back to my stove top and cook on low heat for just 30 seconds. Now we want to separate those particles with the help of a strainer. Please remember, allow your coconut oil to cool before using a cheesecloth to strain it, or else it will burn the cloth. So you will let it cool slightly before sieving it. So there you have it. This is how you make coconut oil instantly. It's pure, quick, and you have coconut oil for whatever reason you need it for. If you have watched this video to this point and you've not yet liked it, please give it a thumb up. And I would like to hear your opinion about this method of extracting coconut oil. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. And to all my amazing subscribers and all my amazing returning viewers, I want to use this opportunity to thank you for. Here you have it. Thanks for watching.